Hello everybody, welcome to Biomentor Academy. So as we started in our previous video about the Aprjc entrance examination bio-nutrition topic MCQs. Now in this video we are going to start the next topic, that is the respiration, energy producing system MCQs. These MCQs are very useful for you students. Once go through it, it will be helpful for you and you can understand and you can do your exam better. So let us start. Substance that undergoes the respiration is called option A, respiration, respiratory substrate, anabolism, none of this. The answer is respiratory substance. Second one, fermentation produces dash and dash. Option A, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Option B, ethanol, lactic acid. Option C, energy, oxygen. Option D, energy, lactic acid. The answer is ethanol, lactic acid. Third bit, the inner folds of the mitochondria are called option A, foldings. Option B, villi. Option C, cristae. Option D, thylakoid. The answer is cristae. The mitochondria inner membrane is called cristae. It has a number of foldings. Fourth question is, the first stage of the respiration is called option A, glycolysis. Option B, Krebs cycle. Option C, carbon cycle. Option D, energy cycle. The answer is glycolysis. Fifth question is, glycolysis takes place in option A, cytoplasm. Option B, mitochondria. Option C, nucleus. Option D, cristae. The answer is cytoplasm. Sixth question is, anabolic respiration takes place in option A, yeast. Option B, bacteria. Option C, fungi. Option D, all of these. The answer is all of these. Seventh question, simplest form of carbohydrate ready to undergo respiration. Option A, glucose. Option B, glycogen. Option C, fructose. Option D, maltose. The simplest form of carbohydrate undergoes the respiration is glucose. So the next question is, rate of death decreases when the fruits are kept in cold storage. If you will keep the fruits in the cold storage, what will reduces? It's breathing. Option A. Option B, it's respiration. Option C, it's temperature. Option D, none of these. The answer is the rate of respiration will decreases. The scientist who study the sequence of changes in the citric acid cycle is option A, Henscrab. Option B, Robert. Option C, Brown. Option D, Mendel. The answer is Henscrab. 10th question is, the number of ATPs produced by oxidation of one glucose is. It's very important question. Option A, 2. Option B, 10. Option C, 38. Option D, 40. The answer is 38. For one glucose molecule oxidation, we are getting the 38 ATPs. Next, during anaerobic respiration, the number of ATPs are produced. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 38. It's 2. The basic structural unit of lungs are called option A, alveoli. Option B, bronchi. Option C, capillary. Option D, none of these. The answer is alveoli. The products formed by the aerobic respiration are, what are the products are produced by the aerobic respiration? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, carbon dioxide and water. Option C, carbon dioxide and energy. Option D, all of these. The answer is carbon dioxide and water. The maximum rate of respiration takes place in. So, by what temperature the maximum rate of respiration is taking place? That is the meaning of this question. Option A, 30 degrees. Option B, 30 to 40 degrees. Option C, 40 to 45 degrees. Option D, 50 degrees. The answer is 30 to 40 degrees of Celsius. 15th question is, conversion of glucose to pyruvic acid yields a net gain of how many ATPs are produced when the conversion of glucose to ATP is produced. Conversion of glucose to pyruvic acid is occur. So the option is 2 ATPs, option B is 4 ATPs, option C is 32 ATPs, option D is 38 ATPs. The answer is 2 ATPs. Cellulose respiration takes place in. Where does the cellulose respiration takes place? Option A cytoplasm, option B mitochondria, option C nucleus, option D none. The answer is mitochondria. The raw materials for photosynthesis are the dash of the respiration. The first product, the end product, the key product, the none of the, no product. The answer is end product. The raw material for photosynthesis is the end product of respiration. Respiration in amoeba occur by option A lungs, option B diffusion, option C osmosis, option D plasmolysis. The answer is diffusion. 19th question. In women, dash play a major role in respiratory movement. Option A diaphragm, option B ribs, option C lungs, option D trachea. The answer is ribs. 20th question. The lungs are enclosed by a protective membrane called pericardium. Option A, option B membrane, option C pleura, option D skin. The answer is pleura. Whatever the lungs are covered by, protected by a protective membrane that is called the pleura. 25th question. Exchange of gases takes place in leaf through. How the exchange of gases takes place in leaf? Option A stomata, option B lenticels, option C pores, option D none of these. It's the stomata. Whereas if the question will come, the exchange of gases takes place in plant stem part of the plant is, then you can write it as a lenticels. So please go through this video and learn very important bits. It will be very useful for your examination. Thank you, children. Watch the next video, that is the transportation.